Welcome guys to the next part of the video series. In this part we are going to see how to merge the queries. Before that, let's find or explore a bit that what we have done yet, right? We have imported a lot of queries from the location and we have did some error removal part. We have find some errors and we did remove them. Apart from that, we tried to have some bit of data manipulation. Then we have seen the append queries, right? So guys, if you are new to this video, make sure you go to the first video of this series and watch it from start, right? You'll definitely learn a lot of things. Okay, so let's start. For this section we will be focusing on the merge queries, right? But before that, I just want to have, I don't want these excel files or these queries inside my database, because we have the sales data imported from the folder and it is exactly same files that we have imported from the folder as these three queries are, right? So I don't want that queries to be here. And last videos we tried to delete this and Power BI said that no, you cannot delete because it has been referenced by your sales data hyphen files query. So to delete that, you got to delete this first, right? You got to delete this first, and I'm just trying to delete it. Just it will be deleted because it is the data inside this is referenced to by a reference from somewhere else, right? So we can delete this one definitely. Now the 2020 data is not referred by any other query, so you can delete it. It is very neat and clear option to delete this one. Same for 2021, right? Delete one. Again deleting 2022, gone, right? So we have simple 5 6 3 6 8 tables, and let's explore this a bit, right? So we have seen these steps also. By looking at these steps, you must now you should be able to get what these steps are, right? So we are just talking about the merge queries. Always you'll find these queries inside this home option of a power query to append and merge. It also depends on your UI how many options you can see at a time. I just have to scroll right so that it will be seen to me, right? In merge queries, again it is similar as append query. When you merge the queries, the selected query will be a result set, right? And when you merge query as new, you will get a new result set for your merge result, right? So let's try to merge as new, right? So I want to create something based on the relation between two tables, right? I don't want a sales table. So basically I'm trying to, okay, let's go to the customer table and find if there is customer click. We can go to product lookup, right? Product key, we have a product key in product lookup table, and we have, let's take sales data. Why? When I click on the product key, I know that product lookup table, and the product key is the primary key for this product lookup table, right? And in sales data, obviously there are multiple instances of key. So product key inside the sales data table is a foreign key, right? So I want to connect this table onto this table, right? With this table, based on which join, right? Basically merge. If you are aware of the Python, in Python you must be aware of append, or you must be aware of merge queries. So in that you gotta give the merge query. In that you got to give the merge join, right? The type of join you want to apply, right? And the column on which you are going to join these two tables, right? Exactly same as in the SQL also, structured query language. If you want to join two tables, you have to have one join type. Either it is left, either it is right, either it is full outer joint, right? Either it is a inner joint. So there are multiple joints. So what does this joints do? So left joint, the first table will be your left table, second table will be your right table. Definitely in this selection process, right? Whichever table you select first, it will be your left table. Whichever table you select second, it will be your right table. So when you apply the left outer joint, what it says, all from first, it means this first table, and matching from the second, it means this sales data. So left table, what it does, it looks for a 214 product key inside this, right? Suppose, is there any matching one? No. So let's imagine, let's consider that 214 is a primary key in product lookup table, left table. So in right table, it will match with the number of instances of a 214. Suppose 1 2 3, suppose these are three keys are a 214. So for a particular 214 key, it will match with a 214 214 214. So it will give you three records. It means all from the first. All basically in first table 214 is a single instance because it is the primary key of the product lookup. So it will be all from the first. It will go one by one. First it will look for 214. It means it will be 214, then matching from the second one. So there are three. We are considering that the three keys are matching over here. 214. So there will be three records of 214. Again same for 215. Suppose there are two. So 3 and 2, 5 records now. 219. Suppose there are 10 records. 15 total records matched, right? So whatever is matching with the right table, the result will be shown accordingly. And vice versa for the right joint, right? Inner joint, it means all the matching records which matches with each other, and which does not match, it will not give the result for the unmatched rows. It will only give for the matching rows. I'm talking about inner joint. Okay, next is, we have done with the left, right, inner joint, right, full outer join. Basically it will give you all result set. Okay. Fuzzy matching. Okay, so fuzzy matching, it is basically, it will, fuzzy match will match the record if there is certain changes in the data, right? Suppose okay, maximum number of matches. So I really don't want a fuzzy match, I want the exact match, right? So I will keep it as unchecked. Merge. So merge one is your option, right? This is the product lookup table. When you go to the rightmost, you'll find the sales data, right? And if when you look here, the option says, it is basically expand symbol, and this is the horizontal expand. It means when I click on this, I want to add the matching columns, right? Suppose in product lookup, I just want to see the number of orders been placed, total quantity. Okay, order quantity. Let's see here. So in this table you can see that for product key 385, when you select 385, when you click, no, 385, right? When you select it, apply it, it will show only 385 data, right? So this has been merged, these two tables is been merged with each other, right? Merge, what we merge, product, what did we merge, product and sales, right? So this is the merge option given inside the Power Query. Let's apply these steps to the home tab. Close and apply. So this is it for the today's session. We'll explore in depth in next videos, upcoming videos. Thank you guys. If you're liking this video, if you're not liking this video, please do mention in the comment what part you didn't understand, or what part you're not liking, or what improvements do you want, right? So till then, see you in next video. Bye bye, see you.